Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review again on some stuff that I got. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Revlon Iconic hair dryer. It comes with this piece so you can style your hair with it. Let me just get it on there like that, and then you can do this thing that they do at the styler place, and yeah, overall it's pretty good. It also comes with some safety caps on the charger. So it has, let me unravel. Okay. So it has high, medium, low, and off as the settings, but if you press this button here, it blows out cold air. So I guess the cold air button is to lock in dead ends so your hair doesn't split. And yeah, I've used it once. It works good. Works really good. My hair is very hard to dry because it's a lot thicker than it looks on camera. It's really hard to dry, and if you're wondering why my hair is greasy, that is because I'm going to also be demonstrating the Revlon curling iron thingy, and that also comes with safety caps on the end. And my hair does not curl well when it's clean, so I let it get greasy just for you guys so I can demonstrate this. I'm not going to be demonstrating the blow dryer. That's because my hair is not wet, but this I will show you guys one little curl. So it's got, for setting, it's got low, medium, high, and then max. And it's got the on and off switch. It's also pink like the blow dryer. Let me just plug it in. Now this is actually really good. It only takes 4 seconds to heat up. Okay, it's on and it's heating up. It also comes with this heat resistant glove, which I have to take off my rings to put on my hand because it's a really small glove, tiny. It's also got really long fingers, which is weird because my fingers literally end here, and I got that much space left, so we'll see. I'm gonna be taking off my glasses to do this. Okay, it's getting there. Now I recommend letting it heat up longer than 4 seconds. That way you know it's good and it's gonna curl. So I'm gonna just take a little piece like this to curl. I'm not gonna take too much. Okay, we'll curl that. Okay. And that's after 20 seconds. It's not too bad. I'll curl another little piece for you guys. Now, it'd look better if my hair would actually separate, but my hair is weird and doesn't want to, so. Okay. That's after 20 seconds as well. Overall, the curls are pretty good. You can scrunch them, separate them like that. Yeah. Looks pretty good, I think. That's just me though. I'm a weird person, so don't mind me. Yeah, so that's how that turned out. They work pretty well. I'll demonstrate the blow dryer after I wash my hair, and I will probably film it for you guys and put it on Instagram or something. Oh, I better turn it off now. Okay, so I know it's a very short video, but hey, at least I'm posting, guys. So, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm just putting my hair back up. Might need these. So yeah, that was the Revlon curling iron and blow dryer in the shade pink. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.